In the last video, we discussed the concept of our smart assistant robot and the components needed. In this video, we'll start assembling everything and build the robot's base structure. First, take your chassis and mount the DC motors on it. Connect the motors to the motor driver module. Now, attach the ultrasonic sensor to the front side of the robot. This will act as the robot's eyes for object detection. Next, connect the motor driver's input pins to your microcontroller board. Then connect the ultrasonic sensor's trig and echo pins to the board as well. These will send and receive the distance. Once everything is wired properly, your hardware setup will be ready. In this step, we focused only on the hardware assembly. In the next video, we'll move into the exciting part, programming the robot and integrating AI logic. This was the second part of our AI robot series. Watch the third video to learn how to program and train your smart assistant robot.